But today we're gonna be talking about this hair, okay? What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel, LifeAsDe'j. So today, this video is gonna be an unboxing video. You know, doing like an initial review, letting y'all know what I like about it, what I don't like. Hopefully it's, I'm not even gonna jinx myself like that. I'm gonna jump right into it. Okay, so I got this hair from AliBFF, and AliBFF is a vendor on Aliexpress. I never ordered from this company before. I ordered this hair on Tuesday, and I got it today. So today is Friday. This hair came extremely fast. This packaging, this is what it looks like. It says 100% human hair, and then it has all the different types of textures and things like that at the top of, y'all can see that. And then the back, it just says 100% human hair. This is actually some of the best packaging that I received from AliExpress. Like, this is actually pretty good. But it came in a FedEx bag. And obviously, I'm not going to show you the FedEx bag because my address is like all over it. But it came in a FedEx bag. And then when I opened it, this is what I saw. So this is actually pretty cute. It's like navy blue and pink. So that's one plus. Now we gonna open it. I have not opened it yet. So when I open up the bag, this is what we have. So every company gives you lashes. And this is the kind of lashes that we get. But every company just about give you like these lashes. But I'm not going to use those. So we're going to put that over there. And then here are the bundles. And then here is the closure. So it's a 12-inch closure. And then 3 14-inch bundles. And this was $60.72. Yeah, $60.72. So very inexpensive. And you know, it's a good price. And the packaging and stuff is cute. This is how the bundles look. AliBFF. This is what the bundle look like when I take the net off. This is their loose wave Brazilian. And this is what it looks like with the net off. It's pretty soft. It doesn't have a smell. Nice bundles. Here's how the wefts look. This is the bundle. There's no shedding. I'm not getting no shedding from the hair at all right now. You know? Okay. Okay, little bundle. Now, let's see how this closure looking. So the closure is 12 inches. I don't know how big this closure is, but it just looked a little small. And by small, I mean width-wise. Y'all see that? I don't know. Maybe because I'm used to frontals. So this is how it looks when I take the closure out. And this is the hairline. The hairline actually not that bad. It's not thick. Most companies have thick hairlines, but that's not too thick. You know, I'm pretty pleased. And this hair is very inexpensive. So this was $60 for 3 14-inch bundles and a 12-inch closure. So this actually looks pretty decent. It's soft. It's very soft. I'm getting these bundles made into a wig, and I'm trying to think about how I want to cut it. That's why the inches are so short, because y'all know, baby, I would not be walking around with no 14 inches in my hair. I'm sorry. Like, not I. Yeah, this hair is really, it really surprised me because it's very inexpensive. Look at that. The knots have not been bleached yet. But of course, I'm going to bleach my knots. I'm shocked by this hair. I'm shocked by this company. This hair was referred to me. I didn't know anything about the company. But this hair was referred to me, and I'm pretty impressed. Pretty impressed, AliBFF. So this is my initial review, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to let y'all know how the wig turned out. And I'm going to let y'all know how it's holding up and how it do. So thank y'all for watching this initial review of my hair from AliBFF, and stay tuned. Mwah. I always have trouble with this. I think this is wavy. Let me see. Okay, hold on. We're just gonna rip that right off because that wasn't working. No, what I'm gonna do in life, you know, I just don't know. But one thing that I do know is that I just got a package. I just got a package. I just got a package. I wonder who it's from. Okay.